Yes, I'm here. Okay. So, did you
Okay.
read?
Yes.
Yeah, it is clear.
Yes.
Any confusion here?
No.
Okay. Now, this is example three. So, these are all basically example of technology convergence. Smartwatches, smart TV, smartphone. So, it says smartwatches
Okay.
combine several technology into a small wearable device. So, they include a traditional watch, a fitness tracker, a heart rate monitor, a notification system linked to a smartphone, sometimes GPS tracking. Okay, these are all different
O-
functions available in one
o-
device. So instead of wearing a watch and carrying separate fitness equipment, user can monitor their health, receive messages, and track exercise from their wrist. So this shows how convergence can make devices smaller while increasing their functionality. So why
Okay.
technological convergence matter? So technology can improve convenience. The main benefit is convenience. You found many things at one place, portability and efficiency. So it reduces the number of devices people need and allow technologies to work together seamlessly. So as technology continue to develop, we can expect even more powerful devices that combine more feature into smaller design.
Okay.
Okay? So this is the benefit of technological convergence.
Okay.
Now go through this one.
How many things are left in hardware and software topic?
Just go through this one.
A set, BIOS, a set of instructions that are part of the firmware that controls the input and output operations. A program that is a part of the firmware, which is responsible for loading the operation system when a computer is turned on. Firmware, the basic instructions that allow our system to function. General purpose computer, a computer that is used for a large range of different tasks. Microprocessor, processor, a small version of a processor where all the data is processed using a single or limit number of in inherent circuits.
Okay. Basically, BIOS is a kind of system. We call it basic input output system. It is store information regarding booting and all input output operation, all hardware information. It it store. Okay. And one of the function is bootloader, a program, and it is stored in in firmware, or you can say BIOS, a program that is part of firmware. So it is responsible for loading the operating system when a computer is turn on. So whenever we power on cell, uh, when we press power button, the bootloader will be activated. So it makes sure operating system must exist. The firmware, the basic instruction that allow a system to function.
Okay.
A microprocessor, basically, we know that a CPU. a small version of processor where all the data is processed using a single or limited number of integrated circuits.
Okay.
Now, do you know about embedded system?
Yes. Now.
Basically, embedded system is it's an example of technological convergence where hardware and software work together for single purpose. So it exists many places and all automatic tasks performed by embedded system. When we don't want any human intervention, the task will be performed automatically. Like it says, a small computer system built into a larger device to perform a specific or limited function. Normally, it performs a specific function. Why they are important? They allow everyday devices to become smart by adding computing capability. So, main feature of embedded system are has a single or limited function.
Okay.
Okay, and uses dedicated hardware. The hardware work for that purpose, not easily reprogrammed by the user, built into a single electronic chip. Hardware use use a
Okay.
microprocessor, a small version of processor. And microprocessor is basically process data and instruction like a normal processor, but has lower performance and is smaller. It takes small decision. Example: digital alarm clock. Limited functions such as displaying time, setting alarm, and sounding alarm contain a microprocessor to control these tasks. Okay. Other example you can
Okay.
find embedded system in robot vacuum cleaner, smart TV, smartwatch, security system, air conditioning system, electronic calculator, washing machine, drone, toys, even in car. Many embedded system are working. Linked to technology
Okay.
convergence. Okay. So embedded system allow computing technology to be built into everyday devices, combining traditional devices with smart technology. So this is the example of technological convergence.
Okay.
Benefits are basically add extra functionality, improve convenience, increase automation in daily life.
Okay.
Now go through this one.
We have learned a special type of software that provides the basic instruction needs for an immune system to function, start up process, and basic input output operations stored directly inside the single electronic chip of the embedded system. Difference from general purpose computer. In a general purpose computer, framework is stored in RAM instead of being embedded into a single purpose chip. BIOS, a set of instructions that start, boost the system, chats, and in intense hardware and peppers each for the operating system. A program that loads the operating system after the BIOS has complete hardware check. Why firmware is important. Without firmware, the embedded system would not be able to start up or control its hardware properly.
Okay, you got it? Yes, you got it?
Yes, man, I'm having problems of my internet. This is the problem.
Internet problem? You are facing internet problem?
You can listen to me.
Yeah, yeah,
You
I'm
can
listening.
listen to me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can listen you.
My sound, my sound is okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, a factor used to assess the performance of a device. So, factor used to assess those. So, one of the factor is processor. Second is RAM, storage, battery life, and connectivity. So, these. Okay. Now, these are factors which are used to basically, which are help us to choose which device to work. So, processor, the component that process data and instruction. Performance depend on clock speed, gigahertz, and number of cores. How it affect performance?
I think you have some internet problem.
Yeah, here I'm also facing problem. Okay, see this one. These are the factors, okay, which can affect your system
Sir,
performance.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, yes, I can hear you. Okay,
Sir, I
now,
have question. How
yeah, yeah,
many left in this topic?
it is
How
going
many
on.
left in this topic? Like last part, second part.
Yeah, it is going on. It will be finished maybe in one more classes.
Okay.
Okay, okay, go through this one.
Factors used to assess the performance of a device. CPU, the component that process data and instructions. Performance depends on clock speed and numbers of cores. How it affects perform higher cloud speed and more cores allowed fast processing. I am process. More data allows smoother multitasking and reduce lag. Limit RAM can slow down a device. Storage. Primary memory used to store the operating system, applications, and files. Faster storage, like for example SSD, improves loading time. More storage allows more data to be safe. Battery life, the amount of time a device can operate before need to be recharged. Longer battery life improves usability and portability. Connectivity, the methods used for connecting to networks or other devices. Faster and more valuable connections improve data transfer speed and overall performance.
Okay, done.
Sir, if we have a lot problem of it, let's postpone it.
No, no, it's not. Okay. Okay. These are the factors used to assess the performance of a device. Okay. Like speed, capacity, portability, bandwidth, and power efficiency. So it refers to how quickly device process instruction. Like if we say about uh, instruction, if a processor can process one instruction in 1 second, we call it 1 hertz. So 1 hertz means a processor can process one instruction in 1 second. Then it becomes, if we talk about 1000 hertz means 1000 instruction can be processed in 1 second. So we call it 1 kilohertz. Okay.
Okay,
So 1000 kilohertz is equal to 1 megahertz. So 1 megahertz means 1 million instruction can be processed by processor in 1 second. 1000 megahertz means 1 gigahertz. Okay. Giga mean 100 crore. So
oh,
if the 100, if a processor can process 100 crore instruction in 1 second, then it is called 1 gigahertz processor speed. Okay.
okay,
Then nowadays we are having processor like 3.4 gigahertz, even 3.5 gigahertz. So 300 crore instruction can be processed in 1 second. So this is speed, which refer to how quickly a device processes instruction. So measured in gigahertz. So it means 1 gigahertz means 100 crore instruction can be processed. Example 2.4 gigahertz, 2.4 billion instruction per second. So 1 billion means 100 crore. So higher clock speed, better performance. More core allow multiple instructions to be processed at the same time. Okay, then we have capacity. Refer to the amount of storage a device has. Determine how much data, apps, and files can be stored. And larger capacity is often seen as higher performance. Portability means refer to how easy a device is to carry. So
hello,
yeah, smaller
yes, what,
and lighter device are more portable. Okay,
okay,
important for laptop and smartphone. Not essential for device like smart TVs because smart TV are fixed. Then we talk about bandwidth. So refer to speed at which a network transmit data measured in gigabit per second. So higher bandwidth allow more data per second, improve network and device performance.
okay,
Then power efficiency refer to how efficiently a device uses energy. So devices that use less power are considered higher performing.
okay,
It reduces charging frequency, so more cost effective and environmental friendly.
okay.
Got the idea? Now activity 9. Just go through activity 9.
Find a partner to work with. Choose three different devices to assess in terms of the their performance. These can be devices that you or your partner own. You could also choose device that you could like to own or that you can are important. As is the as the essence each of your device by discussing the factors show in table 1.2 write a report with your partner about your three choosing device and how you have judged the level of performance.
Okay. Here example is given. Try to get as much experience as you can with a range of different devices before the exam. So this will allow you to develop real life experience with devices, which will help you discuss them better in an exam quiz.
Okay.
Now, performance assessment, smartphone, laptop, and smart TV. So everything is given here. Like smartphone, you can measure speed, capacity, portability, bandwidth, power efficiency, and overall judgment. So smartphone need high speed processor with multiple core, run apps, games, and streaming smoothly. Capacity, you need to have capacity large store example 128 GB, store apps, photos, and videos. It is
Okay.
portable, very high, small, lightweight, easy to carry. Bandwidth support Wi-Fi and 4G or 5G for fast internet access. Fast. Power efficiency, good battery life, but may need daily charging. Overall judgment, high performance, essentially in portability and connectivity.
Okay.
Then laptop, powerful processor, good for multitasking and demanding tasks. So it has large storage, 256 GB to 1 terabyte. Store software and large files. Portable
Okay.
but heavier than a smartphone. Strong Wi-Fi, Ethernet connection, stable and fast.
Okay.
Battery lasts several hours. High performance. Uh, Model use more power. Very high performance, overall judgment, strong in speed and capacity. Then smart TV, moderate speed, suitable for streaming and apps. Limited
Okay.
storage, mainly used for streaming. Not portable, designed to stay in one place. Depend on internet, bandwidth, high bandwidth, improve streaming quality.
Okay.
Uses more electricity than small devices, but generally energy efficient. So moderate performance, strong for entertainment, weak in portability. Okay.
Okay.
Now activity 10. See this one. Go through.
I, I don't understand. I suggest student who need a new device for his university projects. He would need to record and edit videos for his multimedia class, build the websites for his web design class, carry his device from class to class, and also to the library to study. Connect connect his device to other device to share his projects. Store a lot of data on his device. And alone his thinking of buying a mobile phone, tablet computer or laptop computer, analyze the suitability of each of these devices and write a recommendation for Arun, saying which device he should choose and why.
Okay.
I think he should buy a laptop computer
Okay.
because it's which is the big screen and then have a lot by programming language.
Okay. Now it says Arun device choice requirement. Arun need to record and edit video, build websites, carry the device between classes, connect to other devices, store a large amount of data. Device comparison for Arun: mobile phone, tablet, and laptop. So if Arun uses mobile phone, it has advantage: highly portable, good for recording video, easy internet connectivity. So disadvantage: small screen for editing video, limited website development tools, limited storage compared to laptop.
Okay.
And it says suitability not suitable for advanced university work. Tablet, portable and lightweight, larger screen that phone can record video.
Okay. Okay.
Then tablet is portable and lightweight, larger screen than phone, can record video. Limited professional.
Cannot hear you.
Yeah. So limited professionally video editing software, difficult to code website efficiently, may need external keyboard. These are disadvantage of tablet. The moderately suitable for, but limited for development tasks. You cannot perform development tasks. Laptop has powerful processor for video editing, full web development software support, large storage capacity, multiple ports for connectivity. Less portable than phone or tablet, heavier. Highly suitable for all required tasks.
Okay.
Okay. Now see this one.
Yes, it should be.
Okay, now go through this one.
Arun should choose a laptop computer because a computer provides the processing power needed for video editing, full software support for web development, large storage capacity, good connectivity options, reasonable portability for university use. I thought it is less portable than than a phone or tablet. It offers the best overall performance and functionality for his academy's needs.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Now defines comparison for Preeti. So it says mobile phone, portable for staff, easy to connect to Wi-Fi, good battery life. Disadvantage: small screen, easy to misplace, not fixed at tablet. Suitability: suitable but maybe impractical in busy restaurant. Now tablet, large screen for taking order, portable, good battery life, easy network connection. Can be dropped or damaged, must be charged regularly. These are the disadvantages. And high suitable for staff use. Touch screen computer at key table, always available at table, larger display, direct connection to network.
Okay.
Having to install at each table, expensive to install, not portable, could be damaged by customer. Children can create problems. Suitable but costly and less flexible.
Okay.
Okay. Now these are the recommendations for Preeti. Preeti should choose tablet for her staff because tablet are portable for waiter and waitresses. You must have seen tablet with waiters, have good battery life, can easily connect to the restaurant networks, have screen large enough for easy order entry, are most cost effective than installing a device at every table. So they provide the best balance of performance, cost, portability, and practicality.
Okay.
Okay. Now go through this one, processing data.
Type of data processing. Process device process different types of data such as text, numbers, sounds, and images. Binary requirement or data must be converted into binary before a device can process it. What is binary? Binary is a digital system that use only two values, 0 and 1. Digital and analog domain process data in analog form, device process data in digital form. While binary is used, electronic device use graphical signals that are either on one or off, which makes binary the simplest and most variable way to process data.
Basically, data can be in the form of analog, like this one. This is analog, and this is digital. Digital data understood by computer. Okay, we also call it binary.
Okay.
So binary is a digit system that uses only two values, 0 and 1. So
Okay.
analog understood by measuring devices. Digit versus human process data in analog form, continuous signal. Devices process data in this form, binary, in a discontinuous form. So why
Okay.
binary is used is electronic device are use electrical signal that are either on or off, so which makes binary the simplest and most reliable way to process data.
Okay.
So now we have to use converting. Then we have to perform some conversion. You know conversion? Conversion means normally we being a human we use binary data. Which data? Binary. We also call it decimal data. Decimal means 0 to 9. Decimal means 0 to 9. But computer use binary. Computer use binary. Its base value is 10 because it has 10 digits. That is why we call it decimal. It has two numbers, 0 and 1. Okay, its base value 2. So we have to convert decimal data binary to binary and binary to decimal.
Okay.
Okay. So I tell you that, like, if there is a number like 17, this is binary number. So I want to convert into binary. So how we can convert? We can use division method.
Okay.
Like 17 is the number. So I will use division method. I have to convert this number into binary. Binary base value is 2. So we will divide by 2. Now we can read table 2 at 17 8 times, 2 at the 16. Remainder 1. 2 for the 8. Remainder 0. 2 to the 4. Remainder 0. 2 1 the 2. Remainder 0. So from bottom to up, we will pick these remainder like 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now this is binary number which is equivalent to 17 of binary. Got it? We can
Okay.
prove. We can prove. Place power on each digit from the right side. First digit power is 1. Second digit power is 2. Third digit power is 4. Fourth digit power is 8 and 16. You can double the power and add those power which has base value 1, like 16 plus 1
Okay.
equal to 70. So we got back the 70.
Okay.
Same thing, same like we can do another conversion like 39. We will read table 2 on 3, 2 1 the 2, remainder 1 here. On 19 we can read 2 9 the 18, remainder 1.
Okay.
Now we will read table on 19, 2 9 the 18, remainder 1. 2 4 the 8, remainder 1. 2 2 the 4, remainder 0. 2 1 the 2, remainder 0. We will write number from here, bottom to up. 1 double 0 triple 1. We can prove 1 2 4 8 16 32. Those power added which has base
Okay.
value 1, like 32, 4 plus 2 plus 1. So each is equal to 39.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you convert into binary like 41? Can you do?
Can you help me for this?
What did you say?
Can you help me?
Yeah, I can help you. Can you try yourself? Do you have register? Do you have register?
What?
Register.
Um,
Basically, you have to
Let
work
me
on
get wait,
a register.
wait, wait, wait. Yes, wait. Yes, I think. Tell me.
You got it?
Yes, yes.
So can you convert 41 into binary? Write 41 here and then divide by 2.
2, 2, 1.
2. You can read table 2 on 4. How many
Yes,
times?
yes. 2 2 is a 4, so 2.
Yeah, you can write 2, then
So 1 will be 1 or 0?
0, because you cannot read table 2 on 1, so it will be 0.
Okay, okay.
And remainder will be
So
1. Remainder will be 1.
yes.
Now you have to read 2 on 20, 2 0.
So it's 1 now only. Or should write 0.
You will read table 2 on 4. You can read 2. You cannot read 1, 2,
So
0. So it will be 1.
and yes, only 1.
2, you can read 2
10.
on 2, 1,
Yeah.
then 0. So remainder 0. Okay. Then 2 5 the
5.
10. 2 5 the 10. Remainder 0. 2 2 the 4. Remainder 1. 2 1 the 2. Remainder 0.
Had to practice this one.
Okay, do it again on register on 41.
Okay. Yes, answer is right.
So you got it.
Yes.
So binary value is 1 0, 1, double 0, double 1. Can you convert it to again binary? Do you know that?
Yes.
Place power from the right side. Start from the 1.
Then we could be
You can place power on the right side from the first digit. Start from 1. Make it double.
$42. 1010. No, no. 41.
It should be 41.
Yeah. 101001.
Yeah. You got back 41?
Yes. I got 41. Yes. 101.
So,
100.
so we will place power. This is 1. This is 2. This is 4. This is 8, 16, and 32. So 32 plus 8 plus 1. So you will get 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 1, 41. Got it?
Yes. 67. Wait, 67. It will
So
be.
can you do 67?
Yes, yes. 1 8.
Do that.
Yes. Yeah, you. Yes. Answer should be 10000011.
Tell me again. 1,
One
okay.
zero
0,
zero zero
0. Triple 0?
10 zero.
No, slowly.
No,
1,
no, so no, no, not wrong. 100000
how many 0?
4
4 0. Double, you can say double 0, double 0, okay? Then
and 10.
1 0, okay. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, 8, 16, 32,
67.
why 66? Why not 67?
I see 67.
No, it should be 1. If this is 1, then 67. Okay, see it again. 2, 3 the 6, 2, 3 the 6. Remainder is 1. 2, 1 the 2. Remainder will come here. 2, it is 13. 2, 6 the 20, 32. Remainder 1. 2, 8 the 16. Remainder 0. 2, 4 the 8. Remainder 0. 2, 2 the 4. Remainder 0. 2, 1 the 1. Remainder 0. So we write from bottom to up 1, 0, 1, 4, 0, double 1. You missed here 1, okay?
Oh,
So
okay,
1,
okay.
2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So it is 64 plus 2 plus 1. So it is 67.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Now enough for today.
okay,
See you next class.
okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.